Hi, this is Jean at Trendy Tree, and today I just wanted to show you a wreath that Rachel made the other day, and just so you can see it for wreath inspiration. It's a beautiful fall wreath. She made this on a grapevine base. That's just a round grapevine base, and she used some flowers. The first one is a sunflower bush, and she just separated that and picked those ends and inserted it in hot glue and then put it in the grapevine wreath. And that sunflower bush number is 30624YW. The orange that you see is a Japanese lantern bush, and she used one, and that number is 56444OR. And then she used a bittersweet. That's that little branchy like piece, and that is EC4050. And then she filled in with some greenery, some plastic fall greenery, and that's FL4410. She tied a free-handed bow using 4 different ribbons. The first one is the truck ribbon. It's a 2.5-inch width, and the number is RG01-83627. The stripe ribbon is a sunflower cabana stripe, and it's XB16309-49. The plaid ribbon is RGA1202M5, it's 2.5 inch, and the natural linen ribbon was RA205501. I hope just showing this will just give you some ideas on putting flowers and ribbons together. We all have to come up with different ideas, and Rachel does such a good job. I was not able to film, her making the wreath, and I'll try to do more of that. But if you'd like to see more of this, just let us know. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.